underdogs in this place who lost hope, who feels like the cage, the side, the divider will never open up again. And the whole time there's a button that Jesus has provided for you to tap anytime. You can tap into the love of God whenever you want. He's given it to you freely, and there's a power that comes with it, and it's free to you. Do you want it?
I was CEO of 3HP. We actually here at the Cave. We had a wonderful night at the end of the 3HP tour. I want to thank Freddie Flanagan for just having us out here. We had a tremendous time, a packed house. We want to continue reaching our youth out there and continue doing what we do for the kingdom. I'm also the CEO of DMV Christian Music Awards. What we're trying to do is trying to build up the DMV area, and so we want people out in the other states to come and see what we're doing in the DMV area. So it's basically claiming territory, take over time, taking over the music, taking over TV, and for the kingdom. So I just appreciate and thank Freddie again for having us out.
What's going on, man? It's RP from Urban Worship, man. First time out at the Cave, man. Only been here about an hour, but man, I've been tremendously blessed, man, just by the word and the artists and becoming force, just sharing their gift and and what they do, their talents out of spirit and out of truth, man. I just want to encourage more people, man. If you haven't been here, come here. It don't hurt to come. This one-time experience for me, man, it's just been just an awesome blessing. Just see a bunch of young people all rallied in one place. A bunch of believers and Christians, on fire together, standing together and praying together.
Yo, this is your boy Russ Shanks, man, and I'm just leaving the Cave, man. 3HP came and represented, man. We did our thing, but God did the best thing, man. Freddie came and preached, man, and spoke a word about not being the underdog. And we're back in action, man. It happened at the Cave, man. Souls got blessed, man. You need to come next time, man. It'll bless your life, I promise you. God bless.